Organic pesticides for vegetables. Welcome to today's video. If you grow vegetables at home or on your farm, you know how frustrating it can be when pests attack your plants. Chemical pesticides may work fast, but they are harmful for health, soil, and the environment. That's why organic pesticides are the best choice for safe, healthy, and eco-friendly vegetable gardening. In this video, we will explore some of the most effective organic pesticides you can use to protect your vegetables naturally. 1. Neem oil spray. Neem oil is one of the most powerful natural pesticides. It works against aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, and caterpillars. To prepare, mix 2 teaspoons of neem oil with 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap in 1 liter of water. Shake well and spray on the leaves once a week. Neem not only kills pests but also prevents them from returning. 2. Garlic spray. Garlic has natural sulfur compounds that repel insects. To make garlic spray, blend 2 garlic bulbs with a little water, strain the mixture, and mix it with 1 liter of water. Add a few drops of soap and spray it directly on the affected plants. This works well against caterpillars, beetles, and leaf miners. 3. Chili spray. Chili or hot pepper spray is another powerful repellent. Blend fresh chilies with water, boil the mixture, cool it, and strain. Mix this liquid with 1 liter of water and add a few drops of soap. Spray it on your vegetables to keep away aphids, ants, and other chewing insects. 4. Soap and water spray. A simple homemade pesticide is soap water. Mix 1 tablespoon of mild liquid soap in 1 liter of water and spray it on the leaves. The soap breaks down the outer layer of soft-bodied insects like aphids, mealybugs, and mites, causing them to dry out and die. 5. Tobacco. Spray tobacco contains natural nicotine that acts as an insecticide. Soak dried tobacco leaves in water overnight, strain the liquid, and spray it on affected plants. This method is especially effective against caterpillars and leaf-eating pests. But remember, do not use tobacco spray on edible leafy vegetables like spinach or lettuce. 6. Onion spray. Onion has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. Blend 1 onion with water, strain, and mix with 1 liter of water. Spray on vegetables to repel aphids, beetles, and fungal infections. 7. Ash and lime powder. Sprinkling wood ash or lime powder around the base of plants creates a natural barrier. It prevents crawling insects like snails, slugs, and cutworms from reaching your vegetables. Tips for best results. Always spray organic pesticides in the early morning or evening to avoid leaf burn. Repeat the spray every 5 to 7 days until pests are fully controlled. Rotate different organic pesticides to prevent pests from developing resistance. Test the spray on a small part of the plant before applying fully. Organic pesticides are safe, affordable, and effective for vegetable gardening by using neem oil, garlic spray, chili spray, soap water, and other natural methods. A little care and consistency will give you fresh, pesticide-free vegetables right from your garden. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.